This is a tutorial on how to use the CI calculator file to calculate a confidence interval for the mean. I took a problem from Course Compass. There was some data and it said the following represents concentration of dissolved organic compound in milligrams per milliliter collected from 20 soil samples. Find a 90% confidence interval. So we're on the CI calculator page that says confidence intervals for a mean. We look at what we need. We need the sample mean, the sample standard deviation, the sample size, and the critical value. So first let's go ahead and get the sample mean. So we're going to get that using average. So we're going to go to f of x and we're going to go to average. So there's our average. And here's how we got it. Next we need to get our sample standard deviation. So this time we're going to go to STDEV. And once we have those, we can take them and we can paste them right over here for the sample mean and the standard deviation, but we're going to paste special and paste the values in over there. So there we have them. It doesn't really matter how we round them. The sample size was 20. Now we need to get our critical value. And you can see that the critical value is T inverse alpha dF. Well, alpha is 1 minus C. C is the confidence level. So in this case, we have a 90% confidence interval, or 0.9. 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1. And dF is equal to n minus 1. So we are going to come to T inverse. And we're going to put in alpha, which is 0.1, and dF, which is 19, and say OK. Course Compass is very, very picky about how many decimal places we need, so we want to go ahead and format this to 3 decimal places, and then we're going to come over here and type in. Notice I didn't cut and paste it. I'm going to actually type in 1.729 and hit enter, and here is my confidence interval, and I'm believing that I want that formatted to 2 decimal places. So my confidence interval is 14.22 to 20.37, which means that I am 90% confident that the true population mean concentration of dissolved organic compound in the soil is between 14.22 milligrams per milliliter and 20.37 milligrams per milliliter.